Hello friends, welcome to AJTV World. With around 200 countries and more than 7.5 billion people, the world is full of interesting, fun and fascinating people, places and things. In today's video, we will tell you interesting facts about the world. So let's start our today's interesting video. Fact number 6. Nearly half of the world's population watched both the 2010 and 2014 FIFA World Cup games. Soccer or football, depending on who you ask, is the most popular sport around the world. That's why when the FIFA World Cup games took place in both 2010 and 2014, nearly half of the world population, around 3.2 billion people, tuned in to see who would win. Fact number 5. New Zealanders have more pets per household than any other country. People who live in New Zealand seem to love having an animal companion around. That's why 68% of households in the country have a pet, which is more than any other nation in the world. Number 4. Tokyo is the world's largest city with 37 million inhabitants. Tokyo is a booming city not only by Japanese standards but also compared to cities around the world. With around 37 million people living in Tokyo, it's the world's largest city. Fact number 3. More people speak Mandarin Chinese than any other language, with around 950 million native speakers and an additional 200 million people speaking Mandarin Chinese as a second language. It's the most popular language in the world. Fact number 2. It's estimated that Sweden has more islands than any other country. With 221,800 islands, Sweden is thought to have more islands than any other country in the world. Only about 1,000 of them are inhabited. Fact number 1. The entire world population could fit inside Los Angeles. Guys, the world's total population is more than 7.5 billion, and obviously that number sounds huge. However, it might feel a little more manageable once you learn that if every single one of those people stood shoulder to shoulder, they could all fit within the 500 square miles of Los Angeles, according to National Geographic. So guys, this is our interesting video today. Hope you enjoyed the video. So please like and share this video, and for more interesting videos please subscribe our channel AJTV World. Bye bye.